Say goodbye to waste. Vakumar Vacuum Sealer Machine Preservation, your ally for a fresher and more sustainable life. Tired of throwing food in the trash? Are you looking for a quick and easy way to keep your food fresh for longer? Discover the magic of Vakumar Vacuum Sealer Machine Preservation. Imagine. Enjoy your fresh foods for weeks or even months. Save money by reducing food waste. Cook more easily by having your food pre-sealed and ready to use. Prepare delicious meals sous vide for perfect sous vide cooking. Share your creations with friends and family. Vakumar Vacuum Sealer Machine Preservation allows you to vacuum seal your food quickly and safely. Preserve the flavor, texture and nutrients of your food. Avoid dehydration and freezer burn. Protect your food from air, moisture and insects. Are you worried about the price? Don't worry. Vakumar Vacuum Sealer Machine Preservation is an investment in your health and your pocket that will give you years of satisfaction. Are you afraid of not knowing how to use it? Don't worry. The machine comes with detailed instructions and is very easy to use. Don't miss this unique opportunity. Limited units. Do not miss yours. More than 10,000 fresh food lovers already enjoy Vakumar Vacuum Sealer Machine Preservation. Here you have several customer opinions. This machine is incredible. It has allowed me to save money and enjoy fresh food for longer. Maria, mother of the family. It's the best tool for cooking lovers. It helps me prepare delicious and healthy meals with ease. Juan, amateur chef. It's a worthwhile investment. It has allowed me to reduce food waste and live more sustainably. Jennifer, ecology student. Not convinced? Look at the opinions of other users on our website. Don't miss this unique opportunity. Vakumar Vacuum Sealer Machine Preservation, your key to a world of freshness and flavor. What are you waiting for to give your kitchen a twist? Visit our website for more information and to take advantage of the special introductory offer. Thanks for watching.